So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the no SIM issue on any iPhone on the latest iOS 26. Because if you have not know, but this version contains a lot of bugs and this is one of them. Now if you're not seeing any SIM installed on your device, either it's eSIM or physical SIM, first of all make sure to open the settings. In the settings, go to this option of mobile service, and it might be available that your carrier is providing any update or something. Make sure to do that. You'll find that option right here only, and here you'll see this option of your particular thing. Like if you have a particular carrier SIM, you'll find it right there. If you're not able to still find it, make sure to hard reset your iPhone, and you'll easily able to do that just by pressing the volume up button once, volume down button once, and holding the power button for about 10 seconds. It will hard reset your iPhone, and that will definitely gonna help for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.